Welcome everyone. My name is Raif and I am working as a senior security analyst at CyberSapiens. In this module, we will be looking into the introduction to AI tools and how we can use it in our cybersecurity day-to-day task. Under this video, we will be covering beginning with the role of AI in the modern security, and we will look into the most common and the popular AI tools which is used by the security analyst, and how AI thinks about all these threats and the works which we give it to it. And let's look into the practical use cases followed by the best practices and the data safety while we use the AI for the cyber security related works. So moving forward, we will look into the different tools like mainly ChatGPT and Gemini, and then we have the Perplexity API AI, and followed by Copilot, and there are multiple other browser based tools. So let's see. So now it has taken this as endpoint. So basic authentication validation. So now something like now this is a login page. So first is trying to test us for authentication. So here we have multiple API endpoints. So suppose all are out of scope and uh, only one of the APIs might be in scope. So these are all require authentication. So once authentication is done, you will able to do it. So you can just specify that particular API which is in scope and tell the AI for detailed report writing and documentation. So these are one of the challenge, and one more challenge is like converting these technical topics or technical notes or technical jargons into a very understandable or non-technical way. So client might not be able to understand these complex terms as we discussed earlier. Then we had POC steps and impact. So this is like a way. It will like simply by understanding IDOR, it will just directly give me the description. It will give me the impact. It will give me the steps.